starting today's symposium, which is a Frontiers of Science Symposium. I'll tell you a little bit about the Frontiers of Science Symposium of the Academy. Most of the viewers would be fellows and associates of the Academy, but I'm pretty sure that there are people who are viewing this symposium, many students who are viewing this symposium who are, of course, not fellows or associates of the Academy. So let me spend 1 minute telling you what the Indian Academy of Sciences stands for. In terms of its history, the Academy was formed by Sir C.V. Raman in 1934. It was established by him in Bangalore, initially at the Indian Institute of Science campus, and later it moved to its own premises, which is right now on the Raman Research Institute campus. The Indian Academy of Sciences promotes and disseminates scientific temper, spirit, knowledge, and also recognizes scientific talent at various levels. We reach out starting from school children to university students, and we have a very vibrant summer fellowship program where we provide fellowships to about 3,000 college and early career students to spend time in national labs and universities to do a project for 3 months duration during the summer under the mentorship, preferably of a fellow of the Academy. We also have a large number of workshops that we sponsor, and these workshops are meant both for teachers and for students at various levels, starting with college students and also with the university students. Aside from there, we hold from time to time various symposia, our annual meetings. We hold 2 meetings during the year, a mid-year meeting and an annual meeting, which is both of which are very well attended and both of which are completely academic meetings where people describe the nature of the work that they have done, and we evaluate the progress of science being done not only in India but also globally. So this is an opportunity for us to educate ourselves through our colleagues. Many of them are fellows of the Academy, and many of them are foreign fellows or even invitees, special invitees for that particular meeting. The Academy regularly publishes a large number of journals, 11 journals in all. 2 of them are used to be, or from its inception used to be online, but now we are converting all our journals to online versions, and there will be no print version. It will be continuous publication mode, and all our journals are published in collaboration with Springer Nature. So we have a large number of journals spanning all domains of science. Finally, we have these special symposia and special lectures. This set of series of lectures, Frontiers of Science lectures, I had initiated after I took over the presidency of the Academy about 1.5 years ago, and we've had many such distinguished lectures and symposia that we've called Frontiers of Science. These are really in the frontiers of knowledge, both basic science and application science. And they are usually spearheaded by a fellow of the Academy. Today, we are starting this particular symposium, which is a Frontiers of Science Symposium, which is called, the title of which is Materials for Society. As you can imagine, that we will have a feast of both basic knowledge as also application-oriented knowledge, where these materials are applicable to various facets of our society and our lives. We have 4 speakers, all of them very, very eminent in their own fields of, in their own work domains. We will start today's seminar with Dr. Sanjay Kumar, who is on the one hand a doctor, on the other hand a basic scientist. He has an MD and a PhD degree in science, and he's going to talk to us about engineering approaches that yield new insights into invasive brain tumors. This entire symposium was conceived by Professor Bikramjit Basu of the Indian Institute of Science. He has personal contacts with each of the 4 speakers. He knows them personally. So what I would like to do is to hand over the entire proceedings of the day to Professor Basu. He will tell us a little bit more about the context of the symposium and also introduce the speakers and conduct this entire symposium. So without further ado, Thank you very much, Professor Basu, and I also take this opportunity to thank all of the 4 speakers who spontaneously and enthusiastically came forward to participate and to give these lectures and to participate in this symposium. Thank you very much I thank the audience for attending, and I also thank the staff of the Academy. In particular, I would like to express my thanks to Mr. Sumesh and to Mr. Venkat, who have spent a lot of time organizing this meeting and going through the training sessions on WebEx, etc., with our esteemed speakers. So I will stop here now, and I'll hand it over to Professor Vikramjit Basu. Dr. Basu, I again like to register my sincerest gratitude to you for taking the initiative to organize this symposium, and we look forward to a feast of science. Thank you very much.